we are here in Norwood, in the Norwood neighborhood, getting ready for our cleanup day. Today, of course, is MLK Day. So excited to be out here, just to be able to serve, man.
Well, I've been in the neighborhood over 40 years. So I've been serving a long time with and without a title. You know, this is our community, and you know, charity starts at home, and it really makes you feel good when you give back to your own neighborhood, and it encourages other people to want to come out and help you serve.
Things are going to happen on their own, and neighbors have a vested interest in where they live. Our kind of manifestation of that here in Norwood is our monthly cleanups. And, you know, I think that it's a twofold initiative. You know, one thing that we do is that we try to, you know, do the practical thing of cleaning up our neighborhood and setting an example of having a clean place to live. But I think it's also a great opportunity for neighbors to network and congregate and see each other, particularly in these still tough times with COVID, not having in-person meetings. I think this is a great way for us to get together and to, you know, see our neighbors and to meet new neighbors and welcome new neighbors to the community.
We know that Martin Luther King stood for service, and so it's a great opportunity for us to be out here as councilmen, residents of this neighborhood, to get out here and serve our community by cleaning up. And so excited about doing it and looking forward to connecting with more residents today.
And for more from the Birmingham City Council, follow along with us on Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram. Stay safe, Birmingham.